talking whenever we're doing it. When is Dad gonna come and fix the TV? Hello, I'm a mechanic. I know I'm in a cop's uniform, but I'm a mechanic, okay? Yeah, you fix this. I said I'm a mechanic, not a TV salesman. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, let me just fix this then. You said you're a mechanic. I said I'm a mechanic, not a TV salesman. Wait, is this a whistle? Okay, I fixed it. Just don't turn it on. Okay, I won't turn it on. Alright, but I'm coming back tomorrow to check on my TV. Okay, bye. 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 Yeah, I'm not just gonna turn on the TV. Hey, it's no turning on the TV. No turning it on. Oh wait, I forgot to put it. I forgot to put up my shirt after when I was in bed. Wink, wink. It was a good night. Wink, wink. A lot of fun. I'm depressed. I said don't turn it on. You're not the boss of me, mechanic. The dad and my mom is the boss of me. What? Go, leave my name. I'm the chef you hired. I didn't order any chef. Yeah, I didn't order any chef. Well, I am your chef. I wonder how you turn this on. Come on. Get out of here, please. Okay. This is the spot. You suck at shooting. Now leave my house. I'm so dead. We'll be right, guys. We'll be right back, guys. And guys, what do I do with this dead body? Guys, say in the comments what I should do with the dead body. Be right back. Shh, guys, I know the policeman told us not to do this, but watch TV while I go, okay? I'm going to pick up this dead body, and one of you said in the comments, really just, hey! I hacked the game and put it in the comments. Hey, what are you doing? I'm going to eat it. Hey! What are you doing? I'm taking care of this dead body, Dad. No, but Dad. Where did he go?
He went down the trash can.
Okay, guys, say in the comments what you want him to do next
Close.
time. Okay.
He touched it.
Okay.
Alright, guys.
We're literally just throwing them at the fan.
Alright, goodbye, guys. This is on the same day that we did this one. That's why the lights are on.
This is number 2.